Hi students, welcome to Amigos IAS Academy. Now let me discuss about another flagship program of Government of India related to education is Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program. This particular program was launched by Government of India on 31st October 2015 and the nodal agency for the implementation of this scheme is Ministry of Education. The main objective of this scheme is to actively enhance interaction between people of diverse cultures living in different states and union territories in India to promote greater mutual understanding among them. And the target group is all citizens of this country. Then what is the rationale behind initiating this program? You know, India is a diverse country and intermingling of cultures is needed. In fact, Indian society is a heterogeneous society with different types of diversities. We can observe the diversities in terms of religions, languages, cultures, and caste groups, racial groups, and linguistic groups. So, keeping these diversities in view, Government of India has initiated this program to bring the people of different cultures onto one platform, and this particular program create a social environment where people can interact with each other. People can understand the culture of the different social groups in Indian society, where people can understand the culture of different religious, linguistic, and racial groups in Indian society. So, that is why the rationale behind this particular scheme is, as I told you, there are two important aspects. One is India is a diverse country and intermingling of cultures is needed. So, in order to create an intermingling of cultures, this particular scheme has been initiated. And another one, better gauging the cross-cultural traditions of every part of India. So, through this scheme, people living in different parts of the country can have interaction among themselves, and one cultural group can interact with another cultural group so that India can achieve the goal of unity in diversity. In fact, though there are several diversities in Indian society, but Indian society is able to maintain the unity in diversity because of certain factors. And one of the most important factor is the strong and robust constitution of India. And all Indians respect a national flag and national anthem. So, the Constitution of India, national flag, national anthem, and the great history of this country and certain core values of this country like humanitarianism, tolerance, then national integration. So certain core values actually bringing the people of different cultures together so that India could achieve unity in diversity. So in this context, this particular program has been formulated with certain key features. Now let us examine what are the key features of this particular scheme. The first one is each year every state or union territory would be paired with another state or union territory in India for reciprocal interaction between the people. The paired states or union territories are to enter into MOU with each other to carry out common activities under Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. Then next one, Rashtriya Ekata Shibers are organized under this program by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sanghatan. So here the meaning is that this pairing of the states or union territories is the most important activity under this particular scheme. For example, say take northeastern states like Meghalaya is paired with a South Indian state like Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu or Kerala. So the group of students from northeast, they visit the South Indian states. They live with the South Indian people so that they can understand the culture, traditions and belief systems, food habits, lifestyle of the people living in Telangana or Andhra Pradesh or Tamil Nadu or Kerala. Similarly, like Jammu and Kashmir, the Jammu and Kashmir can be paired with another North Indian state like Bihar or Uttar Pradesh or Odisha or with a South Indian state like Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. So this kind of cultural interaction make the people to understand the cultural traditions, the lifestyle, food habits, belief systems of the different states in India. So this will reduce a social and cultural gap between the people of different regions or different states. And this kind of activity will create a unity in diversity. Okay. So what are the initiatives under this program? Popular folk tunes and award-winning books have been translated into the language of the partner state. Culinary events have been planned to teach participants about partner states' culinary traditions. This is mainly with regard to the food habits of the partner states because they try to understand each other. Like as I told you, like the people of northeastern states can understand the culinary traditions of South Indian states or North Indian states, or the people of North India can understand the culinary traditions or cultural traditions of South India, and South Indian people can understand the culinary traditions and cultural traditions and belief systems of the North Indian population. So this kind of cultural interaction create a kind of oneness among the people. The people develop a kind of feeling that they are Indians, though they belong to different region, different state or different linguistic category. Homestays for guests from partner states. I told you, as part of this scheme, the students from different states are taken to another state or to the partner state, and where they live with the people, right? And they are integrated with the people of the partner state so that they can understand the way of life, the cultural traditions, belief systems, festivals, etc. Then accepting the traditional clothing of other states and union territories, Rajya Darshan for tourists, and information exchange such as traditional agricultural practices with partner states. So all these are the activities under the Ek Bharat and Shrestha Bharat program.